In this video, we're going to learn about magnification and resolution. So we'll cover what a microscope is, including what the terms object and image mean, what magnification and resolution are, and then finally how to calculate magnification. To start off, we need to know what a microscope is. A microscope is a tool that makes things look much larger than they actually are. Before we go any further though, we need to introduce the terms object and image. In microscopy, the term object refers to the real object or sample that you're looking at. So if we had some onion cells on our microscope slide, then the cells themselves would be the object. The term image then refers to the image that we see when we look down the microscope. For example, if we were to look down this microscope, we'd see something like this, and this would be our image of the cells. Next, let's look at what magnification and resolution are. We can define magnification as how many times larger the image is than the object. So if we looked down a microscope, and the image we saw appeared 1,000 times larger than the object, then the magnification would be times 1,000. The final term you need to know is resolution, which we can define as the shortest distance between 2 points on an object that can still be distinguished as two separate entities. Now, I appreciate this is a bit of a complicated definition, but it really just means the shortest distance that two parts of an object can be apart without appearing to be blurred together. Or in other words, it's a measure of how detailed an image is. As an example here, if we look at these two images, they both have the same magnification because they both have times 100 in the bottom corner, and the cells in both images look the same size. But in the bottom one, we can't see the same level of detail and it's more blurry. And this is because it has a lower resolution. So in general, just remember that the higher the resolution of an image, the more details you'll be able to see and the less blurry it will look. Finally then, let's look at how to calculate magnification. The formula for magnification is pretty straightforward. Magnification equals image size divided by object size. One thing to remember though is to use the same units for both image size and object size when calculating magnification. For instance, if you're working in millimetres, make sure both measurements are in millimetres. To do this, you might need to convert between different units, like centimetres, millimetres, micrometres, and even nanometres. Just remember that we multiply the value in centimetres by 10 to convert it into millimetres, which we multiply by 1,000 to get it to a micrometre, and again by 1,000 to convert it into nanometres. And if you need to convert your values in the opposite direction, you just divide the value by the same amount instead. So to finish off, let's try a worked example of how to calculate the object size from magnification and image size. A magnified image of a cell measures 5 centimetres, and the magnification is times 200. Calculate the actual size of the cell in micrometres. The question's asking us to find the actual size of the cell, which refers to the object size. So first, let's make sure our units are correct. Our magnification is fine, but the question's asking for the object size in micrometres, and we've been given the value for image size in centimetres. So we need to multiply 5 centimetres by 10 to convert it into 50 millimetres, and then by 1,000 to convert it into 50,000 micrometres. After that, we grab our formula and rearrange it to find the object size, where object size equals image size divided by magnification. So now we just plug our values in, so 50,000 divided by 200. This gives us 250 micrometres, which is the actual size of the cell.
If you haven't heard yet, you can find all of our videos on our website, cognito.org. You'll also find questions, flashcards, exam-style questions, and past papers. And we track all of your progress so that you always know what to study next. So sign up for free by clicking here, or browse our playlist here on YouTube.